Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable Google Chrome helper so it won't automatically opens. So just open the Google Chrome, tap on these three dots and simply go for this settings. Then click on this reset settings, click on it and click on this reset settings again. You have to wait. Now click on these three dots again, go for this settings again. Now click on this privacy and security. Scroll down, click on this site settings. In site settings, scroll down again and click on this pop-ups and redirects. Click on this don't allow sites to send pop-ups or use redirects. Now scroll down on the left side and click on this extensions. Click on these three bars in the top left and disable all extensions. That's pretty much it for this video. That's how to disable Google Chrome helper so it won't automatically open. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.